Hello boys and girls, day 152. Evening workout. It's already past 6 in the evening. Sun is a bit down and the air is quite hot, but not as hot as it has been the whole day. So it's the best time during the day that I could find to exercise, to do the workout. Feel great, except for the knees. The knees are hurting as hell, but that never stopped us for the past 150 days, so why would it now? I'm doing stretching in order to maintain it. I need to go to bed more regularly. I need to be more attentive to the smaller details in order to proceed at maximum effort. Less talking, let's do the workout. We're finished for the day. Really good workout. Happy with the performance. 25 seconds. I can do now much better than even a day or two before. So the lesson stays the same. Consistency conquers everything. Yeah, feel great and looking forward to tomorrow's exercises. Hopefully the knees get better, but we're gonna see. Trained yesterday, trained today, we'll train tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye.